Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nats here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reset Microsoft Edge by default in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter and go to apps tab and select installed apps, the first option, and search for Edge. One click and select in 3 points and select modify. If you receive an user account control, click on yes and click on repair and wait a moment. This process depends of your internet connection speed, and wait a moment. And this is all. Your Microsoft Edge work properly and reset any options and click on close and click on close. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.